Hello guys, what's up today? Tell me in the comment how do you do because it's very important for me. My name is Mecha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. If you are interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. Enjoy! Today, let's talk about how to start an industrial design YouTube channel. Maybe you're wondering yourself why, when, how do you start your industrial design YouTube channel? Of course, it's an interesting question. I assure you, you don't need to be an expert to start your YouTube channel. You just have to start. Honestly, I started my YouTube channel with industrial design thematics this year. If at the beginning I wondering myself a lot of questions about which tool I need to start my YouTube channel and how much time I need to develop my YouTube channel. Maybe I need a new camera, a new program, I need a lot of skills, I need to develop my soft skills, hard skills. Yes, there's so much questions. You don't need to start your YouTube channel. You just have to start. If the process could take time, you just need to be patient. I think there's no good method or a secret to start your YouTube channel. You just need to experience the good way to start your channel. At the beginning, of course, I was afraid because I was so scared to talk with a camera. I didn't know which tools I need. I assure you, you just have to experience. You need time to improve yourself, your soft skills and hard skills. More you experience and more you become more confident and more you learn more and more you improve your hard skills and soft skills. I assure you it works. If you are afraid about how much time you need, there is no good and perfect time to start your channel. You just have to pass in massive action. I know about the judgment. I experienced different ways to start and to launch my YouTube channel. Right now, I want to give you some advice to start your YouTube channel. Number 1, start by your why. It's very important to consider why you want to start your YouTube channel. If you want to start this to develop and improve yourself, if you want to share your hobbies. I listen TED Talk by Simon Sinek. He talk about it's very important to start by your why. Number 2, I think it could be interesting to find a new topic for your new audience. You could experience different subjects, thematics you love. If you don't find your thematics right now, it's not a problem. You just have to start and experience different way, different tools. You will find a good thematics. The first things I did, I watch a lot of YouTube channel. Which YouTube channel inspire myself? I just watch different tutorials. I just experience different way. Number 3, you need a new audience. Your audience is very important. Everything you do with your YouTube channel need to be focused on your audience. How you could make a value for your audience. Your audience is everything. After a long time of experimentation, I discovered it's very important to focus my intention, my project. I need to discover my audience. Number 4, I didn't know in which way to start and which tool use to experience my personal brand. It means you could create your personal identity by your design, your interests, your personality, your image, your identity, your singularity is very powerful. It's used by international company, design agency. Personal branding is a very powerful tools. I think it's very interesting. Number 5, a lot of people don't start their new YouTube channel. Maybe you are shy and introvert with camera. To experience Camera was very difficult for me at the beginning. I have to force myself to quit my comfort zone to experience talking, speaking, to make video. At that time, I start to become more confident and more consistent. More you practice and more you understand. Number 6, you need to learn more. It means a lot of people learn about a thematic, topics, but in the same way, I think to develop yourself, to improve yourself, it's very important. Learn to learn is a very good way to invest in yourself. I talked in the previous video about the power of reading. Number 7, use analyze tools is very interesting. You could see your progress on your YouTube channel. Number 8, be authentic. I think it's very important. Be yourself, be authentic with your audience. Your audience wants to know more about yourself, about your personality, your story. Being authentic with your YouTube channel, I think is very important. Number 9, I think it's very important to believe in yourself. A lot of people who want to start their new YouTube channel gave up after a few times. We don't believe in ourselves. It doesn't work and we try again and again. It's not a problem. I think you just have to experience in a long period. You just have to experience different way. You have to build yourself. I believe in you. I believe in your potential. Believe in yourself. Number 10, it's very important to use your creativity to launch your YouTube channel. I think if you use your creativity to make the difference, it means use your singularity, your personality to develop your own YouTube channel. Creativity is very powerful. If you have any question about design skills and investment, don't forget to comment below and to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.